Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 metre web, Shippers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2011 Dodge Caliber SXT, stock reference number 4702. This shape runs from the 8th month 2006 through to the 12th month 2012. It has a 2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. 2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the bonnet, which appears to have no damage, chrome radiator grille, tidy front bumper cover, right hand halogen headlight, right hand fog light, left hand fog light, left hand halogen headlight, left guard appears to have no damage. This vehicle is fitted with 18-inch factory alloy mags, the left front has a good tyre, with the left hand power door mirror, left front door appears to have no damage, left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, with the left hand tail light, tailgate appears to have no damage, it's got a tidy rear bumper cover, Heyman and Reese tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets, loom and neck, right hand tail light, right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right rear door has 2 small dents as does the right front door, right front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre and a right power door mirror. With the driver's side door trim, car window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black grey cloth interior. It's got a black centre console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, climate control, heater controls, 6-stack CD player, non-Bluetooth type, top glove box, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and tidy 4-spoke black leather steering wheel with cruise control and chrome moulds. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.